How's it going today, everybody, and welcome back to Shaner's Mechanic Life. Do you have a Chevy or GMC product and the remote start's not working? No matter what you do, it just doesn't seem to want to go? Well, in this video, I'm going to give you 8 common things that can cause your remote start not to work that you can check yourself before you go spending money, taking it to a shop to try to get it diagnosed and repaired. What are those 8 things? Let's find out. Number 1, you have one key and the other key is already in ignition, or if you have push button start, the fob is already in the vehicle. Number 2, your hood's open. Number 3, your hazard lights are on. Number 4, your coolant temperature is too high or your oil pressure is too low. Number 5, you have already done 2 remote starts without putting the key in the ignition and turning it on. Number 6, the transmission is not in park. Number 7, the battery in your key fob is just too low to get the distance to start your vehicle. So try changing the battery inside. And last but not least, the 8th reason your remote start may not be working on your Chevy or GMC product is your check engine light is on. So get that trouble code repaired and cleared, and then try a remote start then. Well, I hope one of these items in this video helped you get your remote start working and save yourself a ton of money by not having to take it into the shop to get it diagnosed. Virtually everything in there you can do yourself. Short of doing some of the check engine stuff, you might need a scan tool to get that taken care of. Well, if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more like it, hit the subscribe button, notification bell in the bottom right hand corner. That way you get notified when I get new videos coming out. Well, that's it for tonight, everybody. Have a good night and enjoy your remote start.